Okay, let's look at how we would simplify the following Boolean expression. It's a sum of min terms. We know that we can go to a K-map if we take each one of those expressions and consider it as a min term. This one would be a 0, 1, 1, which makes that a 3, a 1, 0, 0, which makes that a 4, and a 1, 1, 1, a 7, and a 1, 1, 0, a 6. Those min terms would go in. We could simplify in the following manner. Although this one down here, you might be tempted to combine this guy with his adjacency, except that just adds an additional term. So we want to go with the fewest number of min terms, or fewest number of terms when simplified. So, but let's look at how we would verify this with Logisim. So the answer we came up with was an x z prime plus OR with a y and z. So if we take this to Logisim to try to enter in that expression, what we're going to do is go into Windows, Combinational Analysis, and in this Combinational Analysis window, we want to tell, down here at the bottom window, we want to indicate that we have 3 input variables. So I'm on the Inputs tab. There's an Outputs tab, a table, expression that will be shown here, and then minimized expression. So what I'll do is I'll say we have inputs x, enter, y, enter, z, enter, and then I'll go to the outputs. I'll just call my output just the one output, which is an f. I'll hit enter or click add, and then it automatically generates a table. And you'll see, although it's kind of hard to see with the scaling that I have, there are 8 different rows, x, y, z, and an output f. Logisim allows you to enter in information into a table to generate an expression, or you could just indicate the expression. It also allows you to enter information in as a K-map. So XYZ is shown down here. So maybe I'll try that first. There's a 1 here. There's a 0 and a 0. Let's move this over a bit so I can see. And let's put in the other expressions, the other variables. That one's a 0. Well, that one's a 1. And that's a 0. And that one's a 1. Let's change that one. And so what you see is that there, the pink, this one color shows that these two ones are combined, and then those two are combined. We'll say set as the, not set as, but we'll just say show it to me. Once we've done that, it shows us the minimized expression right away, in fact. So we see that it's a yz plus an xz prime, yz plus xz prime.